Once you've downloaded Pixlr Editor into your Google Apps Drive, it's time to take it out for a test. It's a very simple, easy program to use, especially if you are familiar with Photoshop Elements or any kind of photo editing where you're working with layers. But now with the added benefit of having it online and being able to work really anywhere you are and have it saved to your drive. Once it's installed, you'll note that it's in the Create button. You simply click on that, go to Pixlr Editor, and it will open up in a different window. The interface is very familiar for those people who've done photo editing before. It opens up and asks you where you want to find your image from. And we're going to open an image from the computer. So we're going to locate one we can work with just for demo's sake. Now this is not a replacement for a full-on photo editor, but it does allow you to do simple things that you might not want to spend $100 for photoing software if you're just trying to do something simple. So let's open up this picture. You'll note that opens up, and you'll note over here you have your list of layers, and you have an identification for the image. You'll note on the left hand side of the screen that there's your toolbar, your wand, your lasso tool, the drawing tool, the eraser, the paint bucket, and if you want to add text, it's just very simple. Type that in there. You can change the text color very simply. I said very simply, but it didn't seem to work, so now we'll do it again. You'll notice that changed. You can change it to bold or italic or a different font. And I like how it scrolls through and you can see kind of the changes that you make. You'll note that it uses the layers, so you can work on individual layers. And then you can also do simple things like cropping. So if you need a picture that's controlled by its output size, so we're going to make this 900 wide by 600 tall, and then we're just going to be able to select the part of the picture that we want. I guess we can double click it. You'll see that now the picture's cropped. I like the familiarity of the menus working the same as they have before in a desktop type program. You notice you can save to your Google Drive, to your computer, to a Pixlr library. You can even save directly to Facebook. In this case, we're going to save to Google Drive. And it takes a little bit of time to transfer over, but I think when you go back to your drive, you'll note that your edited picture is there. So Pixlr Editor is a great tool to use for those people who don't have Photoshop or are on the fly, working from computer to computer, to be able to edit photos online.